back in and play. I want to play.
I sort of did like 7, 8.
Oh. Oh.
You ever try entering all the way over from the right and just surf across?
Victory roll. That's what that was. Uh-oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, he's out. Oh, he's working too. Oh, oh! How embarrassing.
Stuck going down there.
Uh-oh. It's not over yet. Well, good thing you hit that straight.
Yeah.
What happened, Ashley?
Well, I went down the thing and I had the courage to keep my eyes open, saw the thing coming, and oh no, I'm too far right. And I got chicken and leaned away from it, flipped upside down and rode the bottom half of Oceana upside down and took a little.
You're gonna have a black eye.
And I joined the Tallulah swim team as well.
Did you swim? Oh, I need you. All right. Hello, my child.
Hello.
Now, tell me you need to confess your sins.
Father, I need to confess my sins, my swims.
Well, my dear, let's go.
Father, I need to confess my swims. It's been about 2 months since my last swim, and today Oceana got me, and she got me good, real good.
Cool. He's going in. A wide boat and a wide hole. That must, and with a wide helmet at that. That must be the problem. He's getting munched.
Oh, he's out.
I don't think swimming's a good idea ever in that hole. Confess your swims!
Oh, yeah, when I came out, I was sitting there looking at the rock. I could breathe. I've been sitting there watching, I was like, how they...
Oh, he's gonna make it! He's gonna make it! Yeah! wish I got that.
Uh-oh.
It's going to be a swim.
It is.
It is a swim. What was that?